student, welcome to this video. In this video, you learn about electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon triple bond. The outline of this video is firstly we see the structure of carbon-carbon triple bond. Then we discuss the reactivity of alkyne. Lastly, we see the examples of addition reaction of alkyne. The compound which containing carbon-carbon triple bond are called as the alkyne. Let us see the structure of acetylene. The first and the most important member of alkyne is the acetylene. This is the structure of acetylene in which both carbon are joined by triple bond. Also, these both the carbon it is joined to the hydrogen. As we know that the carbon in acetylene it is a sp hybridized. It is formed by combination of s and 1p atomic orbital of carbon. On mixing and recasting, it produces the 2sp hybrid orbital. This is the 2sp hybrid orbital of the carbon. In the hybridization, it involves only one p orbital. The remaining two p orbital remains as the unhybridized p orbital. This is the one unhybridized p orbital of the carbon. This is another unhybridized p orbital of the carbon. Hybridized p orbital are shown by equal lobe, and this is the hybrid p orbital. This is another carbon of acetylene which is also sp hybridized. Okay, let us see the first sigma bond. It is formed by the axial overlap of one s orbital of this carbon with one hybrid orbital of this carbon. There is the sp hybrid orbital overlap and leads to the formation of the carbon-carbon sigma bond. The remaining sp hybrid orbital of each carbons combines with one s orbital of hydrogen. It leads to the formation of one CH sigma bond on each carbon. This is the sigma framework of acetylene. The pi bond, which is formed by the one unhybridized p orbital of this carbon, lateral overlap with the unhybridized p orbital of this carbon, it leads to the formation of first pi bond. The another pi bond which is formed by the remaining unhybridized p orbital of this carbon and unhybridized p orbital of this carbon which on lateral overlap it leads to the formation of the pi bond. Okay, as we know the sp hybrid orbital it having the bond angle 180 degree. Okay, the unhybridized p orbital, if this unhybridized p orbital it is above and below the plane of the screen, then this unhybridized p orbital it is in front of the screen and this is the back side of the screen. Okay, these two pi bonds which are in the plane which are right angle to each other, so it forms the shield around the sigma bond. This is the structure of the acetylene. The reactivity of alkyne. The chemical behavior of triply bonded compound, that is the alkyne, it is much similar to that of doubly bonded compound, that is to the alkene. This is because both compound it containing the pi electron system. Okay, so like doubly bonded compounds, triply bonded compounds also undergo electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, when we see the rate of reactivity of electrophilic addition reaction of alkyne with alkene, one may think that alkyne being more unsaturated because it containing the 4 hydrogen less than the alkene, which is less unsaturated because it containing the 2 hydrogen less. So alkyne it is maybe more reactive than the alkene, but this is not correct. The triply bonded compound are less reactive to electrophile than the doubly bonded compound because in triple bond formation the carbon atoms undergoes sp hybridized, it having the more percentage of s character, it is about the 50 percentage of s character. When we compare with alkene, the doubly bonded compound it containing the sp2 hybridized carbon atom which containing the 33 percentage of s character. So triply bonded compound which having the more percentage of s character. That's why the pi electrons of triple bond are more firmly held by the carbon nuclei than the pi electrons of the carbon-carbon double bond. So they are less accessible for electrophile in alkyne. Let us see the examples of addition reactions of alkyne. Alkyne undergoes addition of hydrogen in presence of the catalyst. So it undergoes the catalytic hydrogenation reaction. Alkyne also undergoes the addition of halogens, that is the halogenation reaction. Alkynes also undergoes addition of halogen acids. Alkynes also undergoes addition of water, and alkynes also shows the substitutions types of the reaction, that is the it leads to the formation of acetylide. These all reaction which will be studied in the next video. Thank you.